In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a data source if it is saved in a package workbook in Tableau. So, let's dive in. Start by opening up your File Explorer. This is where all your files, including your Tableau workbooks, are stored. Once you're in your File Explorer, you need to locate the Tableau package workbook that you want to work with. These files usually have a .wbx extension and might be in your Documents or Downloads folder unless you've saved them elsewhere. When you've found your package workbook, it's time to change its format a little bit. You'll want to right-click on the file and in the drop-down menu that appears, select the Rename option. This allows you to change the file extension, so let's do just that. Your current file has a .wbx extension, which stands for Tableau Package Workbook. What you need to do is change this extension to d.zip. Essentially, you're telling your computer to treat this file as a zip archive because package workbooks can be essentially zipped folders containing all necessary resources. After you've renamed the file, press Enter. The system will prompt you with a warning asking if you're sure you want to change the file extension. Go ahead and select Yes. This step is crucial because it confirms your decision to alter the file type. Now, you should have a zip file in place of your original package workbook. The next step is to extract this zip folder so we can access the data source inside. Right-click on the newly created zip file and choose Extract. Your computer will then unpack the contents into a regular folder, which includes the data files used in your Tableau workbook. Switch over to Tableau. With Tableau open, look for an option that lets you connect to a data source. You can choose either an Excel file or a text file, depending on the type of data you're working with. When the file dialog opens, navigate to the folder we just extracted. Inside, you'll find the data file you need. Select it and click Open. What happens next is pretty seamless. Tableau will update the workbook to use the newly selected data source. You won't need to recreate any visualizations. They will automatically reflect the data changes. Now you're all set up to work with your data. Whether you need to analyze new trends, create interactive dashboards, or simply explore the dataset more deeply, you have the full functionality of Tableau at your fingertips. Dive in and manipulate the data as needed, confident in knowing how to access and use your data sources from package workbooks. This process should make managing and analyzing your data much more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful.